Okay, we're in the spare bedroom, storage room, and I'm going to show you around. It is packed, and here it is. Okay, there's stuff out of my RV, bedding and stuff. That's out of my RV. The closet's packed with stuff that my son did not take to Germany with him, which is going to have to stay there because he still wants the stuff. He just didn't want to take it with him. Over here is some rugs, electric blanket, some more things. I even got things on the floor behind the bed. A lot of the stuff is out of my RV and I really didn't want to get rid of it. I just needed to do something with it. More blankets, pillows out of my RV, boxes that my son was using for packing, my grandma's old chair, rocking chair, more things out of the RV. I wanted to show you this bed though. I gotta move the pillows. This bed, that's the headboard, my husband and I made for my oldest son. It's a twin. We got these side posts. Well, actually, we got a bed for free, basically. And the center part was, I think it's OBS board. It got wet and was falling apart. But the side posts are solid wood. And my husband and I made the pickets for the headboard and footboard. And he doesn't use it anymore. So I'm going to be selling this so I can fit a different bed in here. Let me go around to this other side. I've got more stuff in the edge of the room. Stuff I wanted to get rid of. I wanted to sell some of the stuff on eBay, but I hate dealing with eBay. Some craft things. I can get around here without the lights getting in the way. More stuff out of the RV. I couldn't believe how much stuff I had stored in that little 22-foot RV. The chair out of the RV. The sewing machine cabinet out of the sewing room and the chair. Don't want to point you right at the light, but those I'm going to be getting rid of. I just need to haul them off. And more stuff. Just stuff. My camera stand. More stuff. So follow me on the journey of cleaning up this spare bedroom and making it into a desirable guest bedroom with storage. Come back and see me. I will also be redoing the window treatment. This is a wooden box valance that I made, and the curtains, and then the pull down blind is actually a pull down blind that you buy at the store. I deconstructed it. I used the old one as a pattern for the width. I took 2 pieces of material and fused them together and then made a pocket for the little wooden dowel to go in the bottom and stapled the material to the top of the roller blind. This is a map pattern and I'm going to change the design of this room.